live television and da iawn, I think. Nia and Gareth were fantastic. They were great. I think it's on behalf of everybody, pawb, to the bar.
Ar ddiwedd raglen o Sul, cyfle i'r dysgwyr i ymlacio yn y dafarn ac ymarfer yr hyn o Gymraeg maen nhw wedi dysgu yn barod.
Bendigedig.
Bendigedig.
Bendigedig iawn.
Bendigedig.
A chyfle i gysylltu ag anwyliad.
I know, I was watching that bit and I seen me, I was like, what, I can't even remember doing it. I got my hair, I smelt my hair, I smelt it first.
We ar gael i neud na.
Oedden ni yn y dosbarth heddiw, a ti oedd y cynrychiolydd tîm, you were like the team leader, and then after everyone I was like, okay, race, and then after everyone oedd hwn yn deud, pwy nath ennill? Pwy nath ennill? Did I win?
It's all important. You know, first is first, and second is last in my eyes.
Taking part, man.
It is all about taking part.
My boyfriend has tweeted, I like Mia. Am I supposed to see?
Mae'r cyw yna'n un hir.
Now, come on.
Dwi'n hoffi ni.
Yeah. Do you now?
No, I'm saying.
Hwyl fawr! Hi!
Hwyl fawr.
See ya! Hwyl fawr then.
I've sat on these all day. My ass is killing me. I know I'm going to sit on it for another 4 hours. But I don't care, because I've got booze. I'm running out the one though.
Un gair sydd gen i ddisgrifio Helen Ledra.
Gallai i feddwl am un hefyd.
Terrier.
Na, nid yna oedd y gair o'n i'n meddwl amdano.
One word, if you can't get it, you grab hold of it with your teeth. And you just keep going with that pronunciation. You keep doing it, and that's what I love about teaching you. Achos ti'n dal ati, you just keep going.
What is the one for damn fine? The word for damn fine?
Anspardigaethus.
Right, okay.
Mostrating a 6-year-old man.
Sparidi.
Sparidi and sparidi. Gaethus.
Hans Bardi Davis. Pants Bardi Davis. Plant Hardy Mavis. Oh, mae'n dod.
I just need some more geirfa.
Ara deg. Slowly it builds up. And ara deg, mae dal iar.
Best teacher in the world. Certainly in Wales.